Good morning everyone, today is a new video and we're going to Lovina, to other destination. We're going to swim with dolphins, a boat trip. We go to a huge villa with barbecue. Today we're going to waterfalls, temples and things like that. So yeah, stay tuned and let's start today. It's really early, so yeah, let's go. Hey guys, we are now at the first location and we are going to the temple on the water. So that's really cool. We have the tour guide and yeah, I'm really excited.
Oh my god.
For the video.
Yeah, for the video.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay.
He's going to talk about me.
Look at that. What you do, your ears, and then finally the butterfly pass on you. Look at that.
Yeah.
Welcome back to your real home.
You belong here.
Yeah. Okay.
1928. No.
The issue is for
No,
1928.
No, 19. No,
She's an old girl.
1825.
About 8.
18. Sorry. 1820. 28. Because I found like 1, 8, 2, 8. That's when you will be here. The location in Yogyakarta.
Oh.
He was working to be, he said like a cookan.
Yeah, like a ship.
Yeah, like a ship. And the colonial, during the colonial Dutch colony. So that's why you should feel like I'm not, like when you at home, I'm not here. That's not real, that's not my place. I want to go somewhere when I can find who I am. So here you are, 1, 8, 2,
In Jakarta. In Jakarta.
Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta is another district in Java.
Oh, okay. In Java.
Basic.
And what's my hour? Yeah.
Calm, excited.
Very excited.
Yeah.
Maar calm is not true.
I mean, calm is not about your character is calm. No. Calm is about how you shape a secret. For example, if your friend has a secret, blah 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 blah, and then finally you can keep it. Because let's imagine, water can be like a problem for everyone.
Yeah.
If that's getting wet.
Yeah.
So, if your friend didn't know who you are and you didn't know how, like, to be a good friend with you, for example, if somebody makes you disappointed one time, even you meet for a long time with them, you will never forget them.
Oh, really?
That's it. You hate them, even like your best friend.
Oh.
Second time, that's okay, but third time, there will be no forgiveness anymore.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah.
We match with the.
They have to match with me.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, but do we match then?
Do we match?
Exactly, yes. Purple, wisdom, and water. So
Oh.
that means everyone that you meet is like a balancing. Yeah.
Yeah. I have a lot of stress. Always. Do you know where it came from? My stress?
You asked me about that.
Yeah.
You got stress.
Yeah, a lot.
Lot of stress.
Yeah, at home. Yeah. Now I'm less stressed, but at school and things like that, I'm always
Your
stressed.
stress is
And I wonder the stress is gone, but I can't.
So because that's why you need a friend to balancing you.
Yeah.
We have mind, we have heart. Which is you believe first?
Your heart.
Yeah, my heart.
my heart. Your heart.
Yeah?
Really? 100%.
No, sometimes I have, I think.
Yeah.
But I
So-
think too much.
That's why. If you believe what you think about, you're gonna be a bit stressed.
Yeah.
Because here's what you think about, what you trust about in your mind, it doesn't agree with your heart. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think, oh, it's gonna be, oh, okay, it's gonna, but your heart is not. No, you don't need to do that. But your mind is, oh, I'm gonna do that. You almost all of what you follow is what you not here. The best thing is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will do
Why?
that.
Like I said, you should flow like water. So now you don't find your canal, you don't find your way. So if you think only just thinking about something, you can't do that. You will never know. Just keep going. Just like I said, just flow like water. Wherever you go, you just follow that. On that why, you're gonna find all the answer of your question. Do that. Don't think that. Okay? Because too much thinking about that can make you stress. For example.
I think too much. That's true.
Yeah, that's why. You should flow. You scared in the first time.
Yeah.
You afraid before you try it. That's why you are stressed. Just keep going, do that as better as you can, and then finally you find the result. After you
Mila's
get
aura is blue,
It's a revelation.
and
Yeah.
it makes sense. She's so calm,
Yeah.
and she aura is blue.
Yeah.
Feel it.
And I was born in
28.
in Jakarta. I was a chef for the soldiers in the war.
And then
And I'm feeling sad because I was feeling sad because of them. Yeah, it was really interesting. I believe it. You too, right?
Yeah.
Her aura is purple. And he said that what's the English word for that? Stubborn. And that's so true. Oh my god. And also, I have to follow my. And I quit studying, I think, and go to travel and backpacking around because I have to follow my heart, and that's my heart.
quite speechless right now.
But I'm also, I think, Hindu. I believe in the Hinduism. It's really good. It's a really good relation. It was so interesting, guys. And now we go to the, what's the
Red and green.
what's
Rice
the next
paddies.
stop?
Rice paddies.
Ah, the rice paddies. Is it rice paddies? Rice paddies. Well, I learned so much English, guys. Whoa, it's so cool. Hey guys, we are arrived, but it's raining. It's like tropical weather. So yeah, and this backpacker is prepared. She has a rain jacket, everything with umbrellas. So it's really beautiful. I saw already. So let's go. Wow, look at this, guys. How beautiful is it?
Mine's sprayed with like extra waterproofing.
Guys, we're going to eat delicious homemade food. Look how good, guys. Soup and everything. We got everything. Rice. Okay, this is my favorite, I think. This I also like. This also good. This is my favorite, guys. We're going to eat so delicious food. And it's now raining, but we hope it will stop raining and then we're going farther. So yes! We're going to eat local food with soup.
Any idea?
Lekker! Look.
Fucking delicious. Yeah. I'm not gonna get some.
We're going to start a tour. I'm with my tour guides.
Hi, Ricky.
And we are now walking in the rice fields. We're going to walk
Alright, so
through the rice fields.
I give you a
the rice fields. It's like a jungle. And he's like a really good tour guide. Just by hand.
Yeah.
Are you joking? No.
No.
Everything has to cook by hand. All the rice.
Yeah, all the rice.
And here's also rice.
This is the red rice.
Ah, that is rice.
Yeah, that's rice. So that's the seed is coming out on the top.
And everything has to cook by hand.
Yeah. But
Whoa.
now, like plowing, processing the soil, just big farmers change to using a small tractor. But it's gonna be within big rigs because the paddy dig is a bit high, and then when we start walking, we should walk in from the upstream to come down and then bottom. Imagine we should have a grid power for that. And then for the white rice, it's a bit easier. We just need to cut the straw of rice. We smash it on the wooden pad. I think that's a bit easier rather than a red rice.
That's your rice fields.
Yeah, honestly, that's not mine. It came from my ancestor.
Ah,
I need
okay.
to use the red rice, and the taste of the red rice is a bit bitter, like I said, low sugar. And especially when we cook red rice, we should mix that with the white rice. The comparison is 1 kilogram of red rice should be mixed with the 5 kilogram white rice to get a soft texture. You guys will feel full a bit longer if you consume red rice.
So hi guys, now we are in the rice fields. I just bought some rice and rice tea. You can eat rice tea. And here is growing red rice. And that is really good for your health. That is really heavy. It's really heavy. So yeah, I will show it later in the video, or I already showed. And now we're walking into the rice field. And it's really beautiful. Look. And people are working here. Like the tour guide has also his own rice fields. So there are different families that work in their own rice fields. Did I miss something?
No, that's about it.
Ah, they use the poop for the rice.
Yeah.
That's actually ecologic, right? That's good for the environment.
Yeah, it's really good. And they use the poo for fertilizer, and they use the cow wee as pesticide.
Ah, whoa.
Behind the scenes of the Instagram picture.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Monkeys! Hello guys! Hello! Oh, wat schattig! Wow, zo leuk! Kijk, cute!
It's not true, you're not dying.
Yeah, cooking and
Okay, so we're going to drink a coffee, and okay, the animals going to eat first this. Sorry, my camera is not sharp. This. Then they poop it out, and that's this, the poop. And then they will clean it and everything, and then it gets like this. And this is what you eat. But what's in the coffee? They're gonna roast it, and this is the coffee. It's one of the most expensive coffee ever.
and milk. Loads of milk.
So milk is not the traditional way of having Balinese coffee, but you can it's really strong.
Welcome to Casa Amor.
Wow.
Hi guys. Hello. Say hello. I'm the new videographer for Mila.
That is literally.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit!
This is like Love Island.
Oh my god!
Wait for a quick chat. so cute. Oh my god, I sound like my mum. All the girls standing from
Oh my god, guys, we are in the villa and it's so amazing and so big. Ah yeah, I will take it later. Look how amazing it is. Ah! Like, here we have the fire, campfire. How's the swimming pool? Then we have here the swimming pool. Oh my god, see how cool is this? Look how cool. There's the private chef that we're going to eat. Oh my god, and here we can swim. It's too amazing, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. We're on. Hey guys, we are now in the swimming pool and so amazing.
Boys, dinner. God, I hope.
We are eating. Mm.
Smile.
Ah yeah, that's the thing that like smile. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. I think it's on the pale side. I'd say 2C.
Oh, actually.
Oh.
Hello, hi everyone. Today we're going to a boat, or we're going for a boat trip, and we're going to see the dolphins. So it's gonna be a really exciting day. And now it's 6 a.m. We wake up for sunrise. Up for a little swim. Good morning. Yeah.
You can make that happen. I fucking should. Oh,
So this is one of the oldest villages in Bali, so we get the pleasure of seeing a very authentic way of living here. Today we're going to have a little look around Gide's garden downstairs and also look at the coffee roastery they have.
The
Different way to drink this.
Brown sugar. Yeah. Don't put in, but bite first this sugar, and then drink your coffee or tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
About the
Lemongrass tea.
liquid sugar. This is also
So
a lot
first
of
we have
energy
to
for-
like, how do you say that in English?
Sometimes the straws are quite hard to suck on, but they will work.
Not straw.
Not straw.
Lemongrass. Yeah. The tea is lemongrass and ginger. The color of the tea that comes from wood.
We have bananas. Yum yum. Jongens, het lijkt erop Jackie chocoladefabriek en dan allemaal Oompa Loompas, want je alles kan eten. Oh my god, dit is toch amazing? What's this?
Yeah. You can guess what is that?
Is I know dragon fruit.
What?
Dragon fruit.
No, that's
A papaya. Lijkt Jackie chocoladefabriek. Ik zei het toch? Oh my god. Is that cacao?
Yes.
Wow.
Go ahead.
A cacao tree, like chocolate.
What do you do with the
Wow.
Oh, just dry, and after that we sell to the shop. You look inside, the
Whoa.
beautiful.
There's chocolate, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
Of the vanilla.
We have vanilla here.
Covered in stuff. Come on now.
This 900 meter above sea level. That's
Coffee.
good for Robusta. Arabica grow from 1,000 to 2,000 meter above sea level.
Pineapple. This is a snake fruit, and like the skin is of snake fruit.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know if I like it. This is the garden of the man. It's coffee, right?
Yeah.
I think 2 hours. And after that, we grind with this machine, the small machine, to make a powder. And after that, we sell in a round. A beautiful Netherlands.
Wait.
Okay, guys. Now you can see how to put the weaver basket.
Oh yeah, what this is
She
wild.
start from making a corner.
Yeah, that is wifey material. I think.
This is finished.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I have finished one line, so I'm going to do the next one. Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm now with, what was your name?
Okay, I'm Bella. I'm from Bali.
Yes, and I learned how to wave a basket. So it's really nice. And you were staying here, right? We had a house tour and everything.
Yeah.
So it was really nice. Thank you. Hi. This is rice. What's this?
Yes.
Satay sauce, right?
Yes.
Chicken with coconuts. Noodles. Mmm. Oh, this mice cake. It's called mice cake. It's like corn cake.
Yes. That's corn fritters.
This is a lumpia.
Yes.
Wow. This sauce for the lumpia. This is vegetables.
Yes, vegetable. Bamboo shoot and Thai pumpkin.
Wow, so good. Okay, and then we have again with the different. This is vegetarian. And this soup.
Yes, chicken soup.
Okay, that was the dinner. Thank you. Hi guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you really like it. I really like Lovina and the trip around the waterfalls and yeah, everything what I did. I actually don't remember. I did so many things in less than 24 hours. But now we are watching the sunset and you can see that in the next video. So see you in the next vlog. Bye!